Thanks for dropping by, Can't Let Her Die DIY. Who are we saving today? We're saving the MGB Mark IV Roadster. This car is sweet, but it's got an issue. It has very dim lights, tail lights, rear lights. The Lucas Electronics, after 45 years, getting a little dim. He drives Sabrina in the sunny weather, so the lights are even dimmer. So I'm going to install LED light bulbs all around and an LED flasher unit. This is going to be great because I tell you, it's hard to see it during the day sometimes when you get these blinkers on. I got transfer trucks coming, and this is a little preventative maintenance. We're going to prevent that accident before it happens. So let's get at it. This is going to be sweet, and it's not hard, and it's fun. So let's do it. Let's go. You got this. You do. So why don't you grab some popcorn, pull up a chair, and watch me get busy on the MGB Sabrina. You remember why we call it Sabrina, don't you? Okay, let me get you caught up. I've replaced the incandescent bulbs here, a white one there and a white one here, with a red LED and an amber LED. Put the lens back on. Over here, if you come over here to this side, it's the old light bulbs. The incandescent light bulbs are still in there. I haven't replaced them. I just want to see the comparison here. Check this out. Check how much brighter that is compared to this, and that uses less energy, LED. Check this out. Check out the difference here. I'm going to put my foot on the brakes. Right? There's the brakes. See both sides? The difference? Okay, now we're going to go with the indicator. There's the right indicator, flashing nicely. And now we're going with the left. And the left. You may have to zoom in there. It's not very bright. So during the day, when you're putting that left indicator on, no one can see it. If it's really sunny out there, you can't really see it. That's why the LED. Let's see what happens when it gets snapped in the new bulbs. Hey, Patrick. Patrick doesn't want to miss the picnic. Okay, there's 2 screws holding this on. And voila! There it is, folks. Now, these bulbs turn and come out. So if you turn them to the left, quarter of a turn, they come right out. Okay, I'm going to clean that up while I'm at it. Okay, this is the white bulb that comes out of underneath the red lens right there, which is the tail light and the brake light. And this is the LED, MOS LED conversion. That's the part number. So, comes in this little bag here. Give that a little snip. So that's what it looks like. You can see the important part is that it lines up that way, right? And these 2 things, these 2 connection points right there are the same. The only problem is it's a little bit longer, but it doesn't play a huge role. It's okay, it'll work. So that goes in like this. Put it in and you turn it. It's not even a quarter of a turn, it's about 1/8 of a turn. The amber light under the amber lens, it's actually a white bulb, but it has a single connection point. That one had a double. So here is the, that is the part number right there. Amber LED. So what does that look like, you ask? Good question. That's what we're looking at. Look at that. LEDs. Nice. It goes in just like the other one, and you turn it, and that's it. Couldn't be easier. look at this. That got bent. There. Good reflection. Yeah. Brake lights. Ooh. And blinker. And now for your grand finale, we're going to hit it with the 4-way flashers. Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh, beautiful. Hopefully I never have to use those, but you never know. It is an old vehicle. If you see me on the side of the road, help me out, will you? Give me a lift. Come on, Patrick, you gotta get out of there. Let's go. We're not going on a picnic. Come on, you want up? Up? Come on, you little stowaway. Oh, you're right. There's no picnics today. Okay, there is one catch though. After you got the LED lights and all your blinkers, you're gonna have to swap out the thermal flasher. That's what makes it blink. Thermal flasher unit works with the incandescent light bulbs, but we just put the LED light bulbs in there. They don't draw enough current to make that thermal flasher flash, so you gotta swap it out with the electronic flasher. Here it is right here. Now where the heck is it? Somewhere's in the dash? It's not hard. Just put on your blinkers. It ticks, it blinks. We just gotta go find that ticking sound. Swap it out. Easy. You got this. You do. I'll show you. The shop boss thinks we're going for a drive here. He's following me around. Won't get it. Up, up, up. Let me in there. He won't leave. Anyway, it's under here. And there's a little compartment here. It's just a piece of cardboard, really. I think if you just squeeze it together, you can drop that, take that right out. There it is. Look at that. So this is the new flasher unit. This is the LED flasher unit, the electronic, right? You can see that. It has 2 plugs on it. And right here, this is where the thermal flasher unit used to be. Right in that bracket. It's square and it just slides in there. This should have, these come with a little bracket, a round bracket that you would just screw right here. So that should be secured like that, I would say, which is what I'm gonna do. I don't like it dangling like that. So I'll correct that, but it's easy. It's the easiest thing you can do. This is great. I already got it on there. It's even that easier. So you need this to work the LED lights, flasher lights. And it will make them so much brighter. Hey, check it out on the dash. Even the blinker lights on the dash are brighter. This is great. Anyway, it's been great. This is an easy one. I think we saved it. Those lights are a lot brighter now. I fully recommend this. LED light bulbs and LED flasher units. Get yourself some. They're great. And they're safe too. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Love to hear some comments. And if you haven't already done it, smash that subscription button. You'll love it. We got more videos coming. See you in the next video.